Our knees work hard every day. They are essential for our mobility and overall quality of life. They help us walk, run, and jump, allowing us to engage in various activities that keep us fit and happy. Taking care of our knees is important for staying active. Regular exercise, stretching, and proper care can go a long way in maintaining knee health. What we eat plays a big role in knee health. Food is medicine, and the right nutrients can support our joints. Choosing the right foods can help our knees feel their best. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is key. A healthy diet supports strong bones and cartilage. Calcium and vitamin D are crucial for bone strength, while omega-3 fatty acids help maintain cartilage. It can also help reduce inflammation in the joints. Anti-inflammatory foods like ginger, turmeric, and berries can be very beneficial. This is not about miracle cures. It's about making informed choices that contribute to long-term knee health. Severe joint damage needs a doctor's care. Professional medical advice is essential for serious conditions. But for many, a knee-friendly diet can make a big difference in how our joints feel every day. Simple changes can lead to significant improvements. Let's explore the best foods for happy, healthy knees. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can be a delicious and effective way to support your knee health. Antioxidants are like tiny superheroes for our bodies. They fight free radicals which can damage our cells, including those in our joints. Berries are bursting with antioxidants. Think blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These colorful fruits can help protect our joints from damage. Other great sources of antioxidants include dark chocolate pecans and artichoke hearts. Adding these foods to our diet is a delicious way to support our joint health. Inflammation is a natural process, but too much of it can be hard on our joints. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3s. Plant-based options include walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. By including these foods in our meals, we can help keep inflammation in check and support comfortable knee movement. Vitamin C, the building block for strong cartilage. This essential nutrient is vital for maintaining the health and integrity of our joints. Cartilage is the cushion between our bones. It acts as a shock absorber, reducing friction and preventing bones from grinding against each other. It allows for smooth movement in our joints. Without healthy cartilage, simple activities like walking, running, or even bending the knee can become painful and difficult. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for healthy cartilage. Collagen is the main structural protein in cartilage, providing it with strength and elasticity. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are well known for their vitamin C content. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support joint health. But did you know that bell peppers, strawberries, and kale are also excellent sources? These vibrant and colorful foods are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that help protect our cartilage from damage. Eating plenty of vitamin C-rich foods helps ensure our bodies have the building blocks for strong, healthy cartilage. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help maintain joint flexibility and reduce the risk of cartilage-related issues as you age. Delicious recipes for healthy knees. Eating the right foods can make a significant difference in maintaining the health and flexibility of our joints, especially our knees. Today, we will explore some delicious and nutritious recipes that are not only good for your overall health but also specifically beneficial for your knees. Berry Antioxidant Smoothie. Start your day with a burst of antioxidants by blending together a handful of mixed berries. A banana, a spoonful of almond butter, which adds a creamy texture and healthy fats, and a cup of plant-based milk for a delicious and antioxidant-rich breakfast or snack. This smoothie is packed with vitamins and minerals that help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Salmon with roasted vegetables. For a hearty and nutritious meal season, a salmon fillet with your favorite herbs and spices, roasted alongside chopped broccoli, bell peppers, and onions for a flavorful and knee-friendly meal. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce joint pain and stiffness, while the vegetables provide essential vitamins and fiber. Citrusy kale salad. For a refreshing side dish, massage chopped kale with olive oil and lemon juice to soften the leaves and enhance their flavor. Toss in orange segments, which add a sweet and tangy taste, sliced almonds for a crunchy texture, and a sprinkle of dried cranberries for a burst of sweetness and additional antioxidants. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production and joint health making. These knee-friendly foods, a regular part of our diet, is a powerful way to support our joint health for years to come. By incorporating these recipes into your meals, you can enjoy delicious food while taking care of your knees. Remember, a healthy diet is a key component of maintaining strong and flexible joints.